time to change the wire and the link in the day. If you haven't ever done it, it's a pretty simple process. This wire is pretty much out, and rather than run out in the middle of my weld, I'm just going to take it out right now and get it out of there. This is not stock, but whatever type you have on yours, just get ready to undo that. So this is the tightener, which actually pushes down and clamps on that wire, and that's for the drive. So basically just take that off, and that'll expose where the wire grabs in this wheel here. And as soon as you cut this, this will probably spool off of there. So go ahead and make a cut like that, and then you can basically pull this right out of here, out of the liner, and just get ready to just throw that away. I'll stash the trigger over there, so let's just get this off of here. Alright, so there's the old wire. There's a little bit left. Like I said, I really don't like to run out in the middle of my weld. Here's the new wire, and it looks like they have this crimped onto the top of this, melted in there. So this, these are kind of springy and can unload. Sometimes you can just throw this on here and get it ready. A lot of times I'll leave it off of there, but anyway, you want to go ahead and give that a clip, and clip it with something that's really sharp so it has a nice clean end. And this is slightly hooped, so what I do is kind of straighten this tail out a little bit so the first part of the wire goes in really nice. And what I'll do is I'll just kind of freewheel this and start it, and then the secret is to kind of get it poked into that hole, and you'll feel when it gets into the liner. And so I think that's in about 1 inch or 2 right there. And then go ahead and clamp this back down. And if you tighten that wing nut, it'll press down a little bit harder to grab the wheel a little bit tighter if you needed to. And I put that lock back on. And so that's good. Go ahead and crank it up to like 10. So you get the spinning as fast as it can, and you'll wait for it to come out of the tip here. There you go. That's it. In there, and just adjust it to where you want it. And that's it. Simple as that. So that's basically how to install your wire. Get it back on there and get ready to get welding again. For watching. See you in the next one.